everyone and welcome back! Recently I've got an interesting comment about minor suits. Precisely, why in Rose deck Labyrinth Vent's suit is green, although it's a fire element, and Cup's suit looks like red fire, although water. I must say it's a common enough question, and I decided to prepare a short explanation for a better understanding of the minor suits. Also, it will be useful if you use any other deck because it shows the initial principles of the elements. So here we go. First thing, we must forget about the direct associations. Normally we are thinking fire burning, water flowing, air breathing, earth stay solid. In other words, we are thinking about physics. But here in Tarot tradition, it means features and characteristics. Any arcana that you can see provides us with a great number of definitions. They are the aspects of some principles. In minor arcana, there are 4 of them. The first one we call fire. This principle means growth. It brings spread, development, vegetation, altogether the energy of the uplift. It is strong like a burst of flare, like a fire burn, a storm lightning, a flashover, a creative passion. Depending on the illustrator and the aspect that he wants to show, it can be presented as fire flames, electricity rays, clubs or staves, branches or trees, or even arrows. It can be presented in any color, green, yellow, red, or whatever. The second one, water. It tells us about the sphere of senses and feelings. It is our perception, a prism through which we look around. Indicators that show us what's happening in the inner and the outer world. Senses are unsteady and liquid. We need to dive into them for understanding. Traditionally, we say that feelings are born inside our hearts. That is why the heart symbol is so common for cups. Also, you can find a flower, also symbolizes the heart, a cup or chalice with water, or firing cup as a symbol of our passions. The third one, air. It symbolizes mentality, way of thinking and mindset. The sphere of ideas is very fragile and thin. It is far from the material world. Sometimes we compare mental spaces with airflow or the great ocean, where you can find any ideas using your sharp and precise brain. So you can find symbols of swords, arrows, or any other sharp weapon, angels, birds, air or water in the ocean and river. And last but not least, earth. It is a principle of the base that we are standing on, the most material world element, a fertile ground for all our ideas and potential growth, a grassroots of our lives, a keystone of our physical existence. It's all about living in our bodies and acting in the material world. Earth is also not stable. It's growing, changing, moving, but its flow is not so hasty. It takes time, it demands labor. Its symbols are stones and stonework, ground, metals, especially gold, which shows prosperity, and even sometimes flowers, fruits, and all gardening. If you compare royal suits, you will see in the poses of characters all those aspects. You will see how kings and queens are concentrating on themselves or turning to the outer world. You will find their passion, will and desires. Of course, in this video I gave you just a shortcut for understanding minor arcana. Again, I can only show you the way, but Tarot is a solo journey. Trying to perceive them, stay open. Free your mind from stereotypes. It will help you a lot. That's it for today. If my video was useful, don't forget to thumb up and subscribe to get noticed about new series. See you soon and good luck!